You want to have a Vtuber avatar but you are too poor to afford it? Me too! So in this video I'm gonna show you how to create your own Vtuber avatar all by yourself and for free. For this I'm gonna show you how I created my own avatar. Because it's the easiest version of a Vtuber, it will be in 2 dimensions and more like a PNG tuber. First you need to design your character with a digital drawing software like Photoshop, Procreate, Clip Studio Paint, or whatever you want where you can have multiple layers for your avatar. But before you begin to draw, you need to know every different parts that you want to move because they need to be separated in different layers. So what parts do your avatar need? For the big parts, you need the head, blank with no facial features, the neck, the body / the clothes, the hair, and for the smaller parts, the eyes, the eyebrows, and the mouth, and a nose if you want. For my avatar, I'm doing it the easy way so I don't need to have a nose for my chibi style. Now the important details. For the hair, it's important to know if you want your character to have hair in front or behind your face or both. If it's both, you will need to do 2 different layers just like this. Now for the actions and to make your avatar move. The first 2 actions you want your character to do are blink and speak. So for the eyes, you will need 1 layer with your eyes open and 1 layer with your eyes closed. It's the same for the mouth, 1 layer mouth closed and 1 layer mouth open. Now you have the list of everything you need to draw on every layer. So this list is the bare minimum of things you need to do. If you want to add other accessories like earrings or glasses like I will do, they also need to be all in different separated layers. So now I'm gonna show you how I did my avatar. First I drew the base of the face from a front view perspective and after I improved it in a 3/4 view. The goal for my avatar is to represent me as much as possible and what I look like in reality. For that I'm going with the straight long hair. For the clothing, I'm always wearing hoodies. I have at least 15 I think, so that's pretty accurate for my outfit. I also have some earrings and ear piercings and glasses. For the glasses, I really wanted the real shape of my own, so I traced over a photo of them just for the base and I adjusted after. Now I'm doing the other layer for the action of the eyes and the mouth too. It's also really important for the open mouth layer to also lower the jaw with the open mouth because it will feel weird to make your avatar speak without it. Now it's time for the colors. I will just put the base colors, brown hair and brown eyes. It's here that I'm separating the back and the front hair layers. For the open jaw, I will also have the color portion of the new head position with the line art. I'm also putting some skin color around the different mouth and eyes to not just have the different line art for every layers. Now for the shading, I will keep it simple, but I still need it to be extended behind the other layers in front of it. If it's not done, it will be seen when the avatar will move. So you need to know a little bit how you will want your avatar to move and breathe. You need to do it especially for the hair, the skin and the clothes. For my glasses, I wanted to show that it's glass but very subtly. So I just put it on the sides of the frame and it matched pretty much my actual prescription because I'm almost blind. So that's pretty accurate. Everything is working for the shading and I'm finishing with coloring the line art. So this is how you create your free Vtuber the easy way, but this is just half of the work. If you want to know how to program it and make it work, go check my next video. I will explain everything you need to know in it. See you next time!